Hello, people. Good morning. I know it's been 2 years that you have seen me on screen. Just in case you forgot me, then this is Shresta and welcome to Shresta's Happiness. So, most of you here must have already know that I was working earlier with Capgemini and I've switched to Salesforce and it's been quite some time here as well. But I haven't got an opportunity to disclose this over social media. I forget about Instagram for a while. So yeah, today I don't know why I just woke up thinking I'm gonna film a vlog today, and the major reason behind this is we have a blog inauguration today at Salesforce. So I just wanted to show a new building and a day in my life working at Salesforce and the interior of Salesforce. Maybe they're just the workplace and everything there. So this is it. The video is gonna cover, and I'm thinking to create a semi-formal look for office today. Maybe I'm gonna add that as well. It's not a get ready with me kind of video, guys. Okay, forget it. Okay, just a vlog. Okay, and yeah, this is it. So let's go. I'm wearing this Lee Cooper shirt with this roadster jeans, just a basic look, and this is my favorite shirt from Lee Cooper. I purchased this sometime back, maybe 2 years ago, I don't remember. Come on, girls, roll up your sleeves and work for your dreams. I started with rolling up my shirt and doing my skin prep. That's a significant part of daily skincare. I usually go with the Aquasoft Intensive Moisturizing Cream, which is a pharmacy product when I'm indoors, but when I step out, I use Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer. Make sure you don't waste this expensive products. Put the extra product on your hands. Then I'm applying SPF. I will go with SPF 50 from the brand Earth Rhythm, and which is ultra defensive. While indoors, SPF 30 from Neutrogena. Now I'm doing my eyes, just the basic, and I always like to keep my eyes bold and on point. So applying kajal, liner, and giving that some sort of smudge look, and then applying mascara. This is my go-to look always on regular basis. I'm done with my hair, complementing the look with gold studs from Jiva, which I purchased on Valentine's sale. It comes along with pendant, so I paired them together itself. To finish this look with lipstick, I applied lip moisturizer and then used one of my favorite Grateful Red shade from Sugar Cosmetics. I have extremely dry skin, so I make sure to moisturize my skin well so that I don't lose that natural glow I have on my face with the product. Choosing this black watch, this would be perfect with the outfit, and yeah, we are pretty much done. Just giving those model looks towards the camera, and not sure why my mouth goes like that post lipstick application. I picked this black bag from Modern Myth, purchased from Nika, and I just keep choosing my bags based on my outfit of the day so far. Quickly showing you what's in my bag, the MacBook and the AirPods being the priority. So let's do a quick outfit check here. Let's go. I usually start early so that I don't get stuck in traffic, but that day somehow it got late because of the recordings, and my mom was helping me with these clips. So she often does this for my pictures and recordings. She handed over my phone back, and I was waving bye to my sister. And yeah, this is our office. This is our meeting room. Just in case you have any significant calls, you can attend from here. Not only that, if you are someone who can't shut your mouth when you see people, even in that case, this helps to enhance your productivity. And this is our interior. This is our old block itself. We'll be going to a new block after some time, maybe when I find some time after doing my work and attending few meetings here. I have few the couple of meetings to be attended today, so yeah. I'm heading to my desk. As soon as I go, I will adjust my desk height, put everything in place, and will have a look at my meals and figure out if this needs my immediate attention. Else, I just have a look and then go to cafeteria to have my breakfast. And here and there, I will looking at people and wishing them hi, good morning. That's the part of our friendships. We have extremely good breakfast here, usually idli, dosa, vada, pongal and couple of chutneys, sambar, ghee and whatnot, along with fruits and fruit juices. We also have a live omelets counters here.
Sean, say hi. Amazing!
As I already told, I just can't shut my mouth and can't act decent even before the camera. So I was having some conversations with my colleagues and also having my breakfast side by. And this food is not just because of the inauguration occasion. We have ultimate food menu here every single day. I came back to my desk and working for some time, and in the afternoon I was heading to a meeting room to attend it from there. Our entire team from Hyderabad will attend from there itself. I was able to show little outlook, but it was a privacy and security concern, so decided to show my dumb face itself again. And this call was super long. It lasted for 1.5 hours maybe. All these meetings are interactive, so you can see me smiling here and there, but I was feeling damn bored and hungry, but still managed to act focused and did my work from there, because that's quite important to manage things and multitask, though I'm a beginner. As soon as I came back to my desk, I make sure I talk and gossip with my friends there at least for 5 minutes, because the professional conversation heats up my brain. I will involve people from other teams as well here just to make sure every one of us are on the same page and try to pull out any fancy updates happening. Now that I'm super tired with gossiping, I came here to have my lunch. Today's lunch menu was awesome. I had paneer masala, jalebi with rabdi, and chicken curry, and also we had mutton korma. I kept this video on fast forward and now I am also laughing for these scenes. Like I came to office just to eat, isn't it? I just came back from lunch and I'll be working here for 1 hour again. I have few important things to figure out, and post this will be going to a new blog and then explore there. A busy day. I came back to desk and worked on my full focus mode. And this is our social launch. This is the place where people actually chill and have some fun time.
It's already started.
After irritating her for a good long time, then she decided to say hi for my video. Nobody knows that I was gonna put this on YouTube, but now don't curse me, girls. You're looking pretty. We were just recreating Kaira and Sid wedding moments and laughing on our performances just for some time. And I went to cafeteria just to show you all the menu offered Barista Cave, but not to have coffee. Trust me on this, guys. As I scroll down, you can see the menu, but one of my favorites is hazelnut mocha and vanilla cappuccino. Even I haven't got an opportunity to try all the items from the menu. Will update you with the feedback once I'm done. Cool. And yay, this is a new block. This block is little higher with greenery and the fresh air compared to our existing ones. These were the locker rooms. The social lounge here is very similar to that of our existing one, but a little more spacious. And we're gonna go to the gaming room now. Seems like I missed all the fun here walking downstairs, but finally covered at least a little bit of this celebration.
White one is there.
Lucky me. Thank you. One chicken tikka Frankie. Chicken.
Go for chicken.
Chicken tikka अच्छा होगा.
What is this? Plate में नहीं जोड़ती हूँ.
पूरा लंदन तो मुकदा.
So yeah, I'm back. So this is it for this video. It's been a very busy day. I tried to manage my work and clicked a few pictures and clips here, and I tried vlogging a little bit. I'm not sure how exactly it's gonna come out, but yeah, I tried my level best as much as I can, and let's see how it goes. And this is it for this video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to Shresta's Happiness, because it's been a while. I know I lost a few of my followers as well, and huge apologies for that, because I couldn't be consistent over YouTube. So yeah, and so far at Salesforce everything seems to be fine, and there's so much that I have to learn and then explore in this IT world. Everything is like that. So let's keep in touch. I don't know when I'm gonna vlog again, so maybe until then, bye.